नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो ये है हमारा सेकंड एपिसोड हमारी नई सीरीज़ का, जिसका नाम है तेरा बाप आया। ये नाम सुन के काफ़ी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बट होने दीजिए। आज का टॉपिक है हिंदी मीडिया के एंकर। भारत में कई बिजनेस चैनल्स हैं, जैसे कि CNBC आवाज़, जैसे कि ET नाउ, जैसे कि आपका टाइम्स नेटवर्क, और ऐसे कई सारे बिजनेस चैनल्स हैं। और हर बिजनेस चैनल के कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एंकर होते हैं। तो एंकर कौन होता है? एंकर वो होता है जो शो को लीड करता है। मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ये नहीं कह रहा कि सारे एंकर करप्ट होते हैं। वो शो को लीड करता है। जब हम किसी बिजनेस चैनल को देखते हैं या वॉच करते हैं या उसको फॉलो करते हैं, तो हमें सबसे पहले उस बिजनेस चैनल के एंकर की बैकग्राउंड चेक करनी चाहिए। तो मान लेते हैं कोई भी एक एंकर है जो किसी भी बिजनेस चैनल पे आता है, तो आप उस एंकर के बैकग्राउंड चेक करें। एग्जाम्पल, उसकी क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है, उसकी अचीवमेंट्स क्या है, सोशल नेटवर्क जैसे कि फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर, टेलीग्राम, यूट्यूब और ऐसे कई चैनल्स पे उसने कितनी नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस डाली हुई हैं, वो एंकर कितना ज़्यादा रिटेल इन्वेस्टर के साथ जुड़ता है, उनके साथ फ्री सेशंस करता है, उनको गाइड करता है। तो उस एंकर की पूरा बैकग्राउंड चेक करें। इस पूरी बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन में मैक्सिमम 5 से 6 दिन लगते हैं। लेकिन इंडिया के रिटेल इन्वेस्टर इतने समझदार हैं कि उनके पास 5 या 6 दिन भी नहीं है। सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़, हम कभी भी बिजनेस चैनल को देखें, फिर चाहे वो इंडिया का बिजनेस चैनल हो या इंडिया के बाहर का बिजनेस चैनल हो, जैसे कि ब्लूमबर्ग टीवी, CNN, न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स, फॉक्स बिजनेस, ऐसे कई बिजनेस चैनल्स हैं, BBC एंड ऑल। आप अपने एंकर का बैकग्राउंड चेक करें, क्योंकि जब आप उसका बैकग्राउंड चेक करते हैं तो आपको ये पता चलता है कि एग्जैक्टली ये एंकर कितने पानी में है। दूसरी चीज़, जब आप किसी भी बिजनेस चैनल को देखते हैं तो आप ये देखते हैं कि एंकर बाहर के अलग अलग लोगों को इनवाइट करता है और वो अपनी कॉल्स देते हैं। मैं एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ, ये नहीं कि ये कॉल दे रहा हूँ, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि टाटा मोटर्स बाय कर लो, ACC सीमेंट बाय कर लो, L&T बाय कर लो, एम्फेसिस को सेल कर लो, कुछ भी इस तरीके की कॉल्स आती हैं। ये देखें कि उस बंदे का पिछले 15 से 20 दिन का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड चेक करें कि उस बंदे ने 15-20 दिन पहले जो कॉल दी थी वो कॉल कितनी सक्सेसफुल हुई। क्योंकि अगर आप किसी भी इंडिया के बिजनेस चैनल को फॉलो करते हैं, कोई भी इंडिया का बिजनेस चैनल कॉल्स की एक्यूरेसी नहीं दिखाता। वही सेम बंदा आके रोज बोलता है, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, लेकिन वो बिजनेस चैनल उसकी एक्यूरेसी कभी नहीं दिखाता। मैं एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं आपके सामने। एग्जांपल, एम्फेसिस सेल कर दो, टारगेट 2800, करंट प्राइस 3000, SL 3100। चलो, इंडिया के कई इन्वेस्टर इसको देख के एम्फेसिस को सेल कर देंगे, राइट। लेकिन दोस्तों, समझने वाली बात यह है कि उस बंदे ने कैसे कंक्लूड किया कि एम्फेसिस को सेल करना है। जो SL वो दे रहा है 3100 का, वो कैसे निकला? उस सेल कॉल की रिसर्च रिपोर्ट क्या किसी वेबसाइट पे, किसी उस न्यूज़ चैनल की वेबसाइट पे कहीं पे अवेलेबल है? क्या उस स्पीकर ने ये दिया कि मैंने पिछले 1 महीने में 15 कॉल दी और उन 15 कॉल में मेरा सक्सेस रेट है 85%? क्या दिया? नहीं दिया। इंडियन इन्वेस्टर आंखें बंद करके सिर्फ उस कॉल को कॉपी कर लेता है। जैसे कि मैं आपको एक लेटेस्ट एग्जांपल देता हूं। आज से 2 दिन पहले यही हिंदी मीडिया स्पाइस जेट बाय कर रही थी और मैं पिछले कितने महीनों से ये बोल रहा हूं कि कोविड अभी तक गया नहीं है, तो इसको हल्के में मत लो। अब आज ये क्वेश्चन आ गया कि साउथ अफ्रीका में एक नया वेरिएंट आया, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने इस पे वार्निंग दी और पता चल रहा है कि हांगकांग में भी ये वेरिएंट आ चुका है। जैसे जैसे समय निकलेगा वैसे वैसे सैटरडे संडे में और इंफॉर्मेशन पब्लिक डोमेन में आएगी, हम आपको अपडेट करेंगे। अब समझने वाली बात यह है कि जब डेल्टा वेरिएंट या उसका कोई म्यूटेंट मार्केट में आएगा तो उसका सबसे पहला इंपैक्ट कहां पड़ेगा? कॉमन सेंस। उसका पहला इंपैक्ट एविएशन, हॉस्पिटैलिटी और रियल एस्टेट पे पड़ेगा। ये तो कॉमन सेंस है। अब इसमें इंडिया तो कोई एक्सेप्शन है ही नहीं। चाहे वो यूएस हो, यूरोप हो, हांगकांग हो, सिंगापुर हो, कोई भी कंट्री हो, डेल्टा का पहला बड़ा इंपैक्ट हॉस्पिटैलिटी, एविएशन और रियल एस्टेट पे पड़ेगा। अब जिस बंदे ने कॉल दी, क्या उस बंदे को ये नहीं पता था कि कोविड-19 अभी तक गया नहीं है? उसने कॉल दे दी और मैं जानता हूं कि उसकी कॉल पे इंडिया के रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स ने स्पाइस जेट बाय भी कर लिया होगा, जबकि इंडिया के रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स को ये नहीं पता कि स्पाइस जेट की जो बैलेंस शीट है वो वर्स्ट होती जा रही है, लॉसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, डेट बढ़ता जा रहा है और अब बाहर से फंडिंग ली जा रही है। एयर इंडिया जो लिस्टेड नहीं है, विस्तारा जो लिस्टेड नहीं है और हमारी इंडिगो प्लस स्पाइस जेट, इन चारों की बैलेंस शीट चाहे ये लिस्टेड हो या ना हो, आपको इनकी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल पे मिल जाएगी और ये चारों ही आज स्ट्रेस में है। मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ। इंडिगो कुछ 2200 के आसपास था, हिंदी मीडिया ने कॉल दी और लोगों ने उसको बाय करना शुरू किया। आज ये वाली न्यूज़ आई, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने वार्निंग इशू करी। कल सैटरडे संडे है और भी फॉरम्स इस पे वार्निंग इशू करेंगी। एंड रिजल्ट क्या हुआ? इंडिगो आज कम होते होते 1850 के पास चला गया। एक इन्वेस्टर जिसने इंडिगो में एफएनओ में इन्वेस्ट किया है, फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस में, वो तो इतने टाइम तक होल्ड नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आपने 2250 पे बाय किया, आप पहुंच गए 1850। एसएल की तो सारी लिमिट ही ब्रीच हो गई, आपको वो स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा। 7.5 लाख करोड़, 7.5 लाख करोड़ सिर्फ आज नुकसान हुआ है। और अगर मैं नवंबर का पूरा हिसाब लगाऊं तो ये 9 से 10 लाख करोड़ से ऊपर है। सिर्फ 1 महीने में इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स को 9 से 10 लाख करोड़ का नुकसान हुआ है, यानी कि इंडेक्सेस की मार्केट कैप उतनी कम हो गई। अब जिसने एफएनओ लिया होगा वो भी मरा, जिसने कैश में बाय किया होगा इंटेलिजेंटली वो बैठा हुआ है, जिसने इंडेक्स बाय किया होगा वो तो वैसे ही मरा। समझने वाली बात अब ये है कि जिस हिंदी मीडिया ने आज स्पाइस जेट, कल और उससे पहले इंडिगो की कॉल दी थी, अब वो कहां है? वो कहीं नहीं। तो आप किसी भी बिजनेस चैनल को फॉलो कर रहे हो, आप उसके एंकर का बैकग्राउंड चेक करें और अगर आप उसका बैकग्राउंड चेक कर रहे हैं तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वो कितने पानी में है। इनमें से मेजॉरिटी एंकर ऐसे हैं जिनका पोर्टफोलियो कितने करोड़ में है, कितने करोड़ में। एक आदमी जो एंकर का रोल प्ले करता है उसकी सैलरी तो लिमिटेड होती है, तो उसका पोर्टफोलियो इतने करोड़ में कैसे हो सकता है? ये तो समझने वाली बात है। लेकिन इंडियन इन्वेस्टर ये समझने को तैयार ही नहीं है। वो अंधभक्त की तरह इन एंकर्स को फॉलो कर रहा है और एंड रिजल्ट आपने देखा। आप में से कई इन्वेस्टर्स ने मेजॉरिटी लॉस लिया होगा रिसेंटली नवंबर में। जरा इस वीडियो को ध्यान से समझिएगा कि मैं आपसे क्या कहना चाहता हूँ। हिंदी मीडिया से एसोसिएटेड कुछ लोग ये वीडियो देख के थोड़े डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे। ये था तेरा बाप आया एपिसोड नंबर 2। अभी बहुत सारे एपिसोड बाकी हैं। मेरा नंबर 9899242978। हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम। This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. So since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist, and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day, and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have three legal entities: India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group, and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution, or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about Treasury Consulting. The more detail is coming at the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside Treasury Consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. We includes our This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 1 3, 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus, and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TNFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a training platform. Remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, that I worked as a corporate registrar. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent-wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically our wealth management platform is for the people, those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people, those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people, those who only have basic knowledge or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform, and in this TRFX Academy we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos, so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned, and we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform, which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg. I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see. In fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World. What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings, and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.